Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tailgating and Barbecue Series. I'm Chef Matt Burton, Vice President of Culinary and R&D here at Dickey's Barbecue. Today's episode is all about one of the easiest, most crowd-pleasing proteins for game day, sausage. It's quick, it's versatile, and it's always a fan favorite at the tailgate. Now, when it comes to planning, sausage really is your MVP. It's pre-smoked, packed with flavor, and only needs a little heat to be game day ready. You can bring a variety to keep things interesting, like your classic links or spicy jalapeno cheddar, and of course, the old school hot dog. Here's the game plan. We're gonna pick up your favorite sausage and dogs. We're gonna grab some buns and a couple of crowd-pleasing condiments, have everything prepped so when it's time to fire up the grill, you are ready. Pre-game is all about prep. For sausage, that means simple. Keep that grill at medium heat so you don't split the casings. Turn them often and let that smoke do the work. If you're going with hot dogs, same rules apply. Steady heat, don't walk away. A little char gives you that perfect bite. Now kickoff is when it all comes together. Once your links are hot all the way through and have that beautiful color, it's time to serve. Serve them whole in a bun, slice them for a quick sausage dog, or cut into bite-sized rounds and stick a toothpick in for easy snacking. However you do it, sausage delivers big flavor without a lot of fuss. Now, extra points are all about the little touches, so set up a toppings bar with mustards, onions, sauerkraut, jalapenos, even a drizzle of barbecue sauce. For the kids, you can't go wrong with the classic hot dog. For the grown-ups, a smoked sausage dog piled high with fixings is a winner every single time. Want to take it up a notch? How about wrapping a sausage in bacon before you grill it, or slice it into a skillet, maybe with some peppers and some onions for a quick tailgate stir-up. That's the play for today. Sausage. Simple, quick, and guaranteed to keep your tailgate crowd cheering. Now, don't forget, you can find more game day tips and tricks at dickeys.com. And until next time, keep it legit, keep it smoky, and enjoy every bite.